Hi guys, every once in a while there's a product out there that kind of blows my mind, and today I'm going to tell you about one. It's called Lashify. Now it sounds like I'm getting ready to sell you something, but I'm not, and I'm not making any money from this, and I just was told all about this from my friend Kendra Mann, who's a makeup artist who's been on the channel before, and showed me this. She had it in her kit and I freaked out, and now I'm going to show you. Now the woman who created this, let's not get anything twisted here. Her name, she wrote me a letter. Her name is Sahari Lottie. She founded Lashify. She was really kind of frustrated with your lash options and how damaged your eyelashes can get from fake lashes, like when you put on extensions. Like mine were little nubs, now I'm using Roden Fields and they're getting better. She created this kit and it comes with two different sets. I mean, there's different names for these. I call them lashes, she calls them gossamers. Call it what you will, it's a lash. I got all these different sizes, so all the lashes, or what they call them gossamers, the gossamers, Ryan Gossamer, they all come in different sizes. So you can get whatever sizes you want, but this kit, and I think this thing is the key, they call this the wand. This is how you put it on. It comes with this Whisper Light Flexible Bond, which is AKA, I think, the glue. And it comes in a white color and it comes in a black color. You can use which one you want. I usually go for black because my lash line is usually pretty dark. I use black eyeliner, black mascara, so I'll probably go for black. Now you're supposed to take this little brush and stick it underneath your lashes. Underneath. These lashes go underneath, okay? So you go underneath and you just wiggle it right at the base. You do not go up. Think about it. This is glue. So if you go up, you're putting glue all over your lashes, and you don't want to do that. Just at the base. So that's the first step that we will do. And I'll do this without talking. I'm just going to do it first and explain it. Then it tells you to take the gossamer, and you can literally take this whole thing, clip and pull out like 4 lashes, and then go under and stick it up there. And done. Or you can do 1 at a time or 2 at a time or whatever you want to do. I think I'm gonna go 1 at a time to start. I've done this on other people, and this is probably one of the easiest things to do on yourself, but I think it's all about this special wand and the bonding stuff. There you have it. You take the lashes, AKA gossamers, you stick them underneath your lashes, and then when you're totally done, you put on a little bit of the sealer. So let's give it a whirl, shall we? So these are incredible. I hadn't done it to myself yet, and now I have. And here's the other thing about these. They stay on. A light bond coating, 1 to 3 days of lash wear. A heavy bond coating, 4 to 7 days. I gotta tell you, these are insane. Perfect, amazing. I did use a little longer on this one just to see. I think they're a little too long, but the A12 is perfect for me. And I cannot believe it, and you can't see it. It's insane. So way to go, Lashify. You crushed it. Thank you, Kendra Mann, for telling me about these. I'm addicted now. So thank you. So guys, don't forget to comment below, subscribe, tell me what you want to see. Lashify, I'm obsessed with you. Everybody have a great day and a great week. Bye.